So my country people them, this one na Grand Casserole International. So I don't bring una good news today, because during this time of lockdown, I don't see things that they happen, I say why? I see people there for other country, that they help people the way they not get, that they help people there get they help, and they look to for our own country. I didn't wait for see one person will go help. I don't look today, my eye dry. But today, I want to tell una say somebody there. I don't see I see the news, so I say, chai, this boy. Una know this Cameroon Mutumbu Naka. This boy with the Nag Mutumbu, the sing where so. Fine boy, fine boy. So I just say Commander Keita, fine picking. Where the sing, where his song one start, you hear they say, this one is for my army. Una know, he sing this song so. Nothing not the worker, people just suffer. Papa, put your hands for we. See him. He did only sing. He did only sing. He did do action. I see where this petit frère, he do. I say this pikin. You know only fine. You find right inside your heart. Now me I tell you now. He get all reason. When I get for support you, when I support me that boy. Because the boy, he get good. He don't give. No, I say this time I will catch you on just small. He always give. I see he give somebody, he tell the body, the guy say, my sister, me I not get plenty, but I think say the small one I get you fit share. He give him something. He say this one na rice, you go chop, but the rice go finish. But it no go make sense, than for me for the can give you rice, you chop every day. Better. More no just can give you fish, make we teach you how for catch fish. Chai! Masking that, say the boy belly not fine. Now you be the original messenger where they say, God send them, make it go bless somebody. So after this, when you finish the rice, he go send somebody, go come. You tell what we want to do. He go say to you, in a small business, you don't know how they, but just stay, he go give you small money, you start your small business, you start help your family. My brother, this is how things are supposed to be done. If you get plenty, share, not be greedy. See, we get MTN for Cameroon. It make 212 billion CFA for Cameroon for 1 year. I just do research online. I discover, but they never give enough. But they help for their country. Una only subscribe. Chai, una get for rating. What country need help now so? Now we get for help. Cameroon government self, may they even learn for TJ Panchako how they give for the poor. Never say they carry back rice, take and they shoot people, trunk of people, their skin, they want to keep people there. Even though they say social distancing, they not even think about that. They just throw away rice for people. We don't suffer. So now we Tori Master say make it can't tell us now good work that way this speaking you do. And you get all reason why we get for supporting. And not only you. This other Mutumbu Bita. This one where he do all thing. He did knock Mutumbu, he did sing, he did produce, he do all thing. They call it Salah, T.A. Salas. Now big star for Cameroon. He don't sing music. They don't recognize him for Cameroon, recognize him for one man country. A big boy. The boy too need to sleep. He do plenty things they do. He they give. When I go show now all the video. You see as people that they give. He need to only give. Instead they carry the bag rice. He carry and go give you right inside your house. Moku government see no. Now so they do. Why would not just beg this boy them? Give them the money, make they take and go share for the people them because they know for do the job. Government just take and go shoot people, they wound people themselves. Even and we don't know why they kill somebody. So I can't tell una say this one na really good news. I say I not stay with the Jews. Make I can share am with una. Say one musician they not get plenty, but they do the lead way they get. So I dey try to encourage other artists the way they be able, we not see they not get plenty, but the small way they go do, people they go still appreciate them. You see, And so that people, even when they support una, they support una with joy. And when you two they give, you go to give with joy, because you see the love, the chemistry between you and the people. Then it is strong. So I beg all the other artists wey they do, wey they be able, by Mr. Leo, Magasco, you get them plenty. You see, una try do something little, una no must give plenty. You see, Panchako dey give in the thing, whether you comot am for Nigeria or na outside, he just look people that they need, he give them. Whether you be Anglophone, you be Francophone, whether you be black, you be white, he no get time, he just dey do. He dey just move from one place, he give. Even Salatie, na so he dey do. So my brother them, this one, we dey appreciate una, we dey thank una for the wonderful work wey una dey do. Una keep on. God go replenish una pocket them back. Una understand, no? So una get for prayer for this messenger them. Now true messenger them for Cameroon people them. So make they keep on to do this work. And MTN people them, we dey tell una, if una come for our country, only come collect money, una dey go help una own people them, where they get corona. Una leave our own people them, where they give una the money. We not think say na correct thing. Una think am. Una get for do something for the people them. Now these people they make una wait to una be, una carry the money, una go live over that side. This one the better thing. So as I tell una, I go show una small video where una see where this pikin that they give. At least una hear way to teach Panchak, he talk for some person way, some woman way, he want help am. Una hear me the way he talk the thing. I still know I must share this interview with una. Una look am.
We'll come to each other. But after you finish this bag of rice, you'll see need another one to chop. Do so. So we now the foundation, we don't create a foundation, always with the people foundation. Let me say overreach, we'll get millions and stuff. Let's say we want to just help our brothers. If I get, you don't get, I give you small. If you get, you don't get, give another person. You understand? So we try to empower you. I'd rather than give you fish, we chop, we'll teach you how to fish. If anything you know something your talent. Anything you know you want to business, maybe sustain your family. How many kids you get? 3. So what you do if you do, if you help you take care of you.
If I get away with small business, maybe the since I become for you, the money for my since we did seek the community, I not be able to.
So if you say one a shop or a small business, you set you up with a small business. For the meantime, you chop this and I'll give you something you go. Then also my brother. Yes, I do it for you. I think we'll come back, make sure so you do the business. Set you up, whatever, I don't know how it's going, whatever business you buy and sell, whatever body you need to start up, there we know.
As long as we remember to always do the right thing, wash your hands, love each other, we go on. Corona, the virus will be worrying human being. You no get let go, but you go walk from person to person. But we fit big time, we fit stop if we maintain good hygiene and practice social distancing. We go on.
Una see? This one na true messenger for Cameroon people. Even if say we dey do something, they send in now, no say na true messenger, he go deliver well. TJ Panchak, keep on your good job. We are behind you. Cameroon people are behind you. Salatie, una keep on the job. We love you guys. You people are doing a great job. Una the hell work people there. I dey see you put smile for people their face. My brother, with the prayer, good prayer for una. It go better for una. Una no go ever regret. For that situation, una don sow and for that people their life. They go prayer for una. And anything way una they pray for, una the desire for life, una go get them. So this one, now the Toru master get and this video. Just mark share una with una, If you get good news, so must can share and together. If not bad news, we'll go share, But before I want to go, my tell una not forget. These MTN people, them that use we, that they take all our money, they not even help nobody. So una think. We'll get I just the follow. The end 10 times way to even come to the end. You never imagine. And we will follow them for back, follow them for back. So I bet when I try give a rating. That was a wonderful job, TJ Panchak, Salatie. We thank you so much, guys, for this wonderful job when I do. Una just keep on dey for una back, and God, He go strengthen una more and more. This one, Tori Master, Grand Casserole. Una not forget. Una share this my video. Una subscribe for my YouTube channel. And una show me love too, I beg. So that I go come kidnap una Tori every day. Una know I be una boy now. I be una boy all weather. Original Bolingo begin. Grand #1 casserole man. So thank una, stay blessed, and we go see very soon. We are preparing something good for you. So I be sorry, so they presented this show now for inside house, but we are working on the background. We will bring something nice and beautiful, and I would like cafe.